Today we're gonna read a book called I Am Koala. Koala. I know there's no koalas here in Red Lake, except for a couple lookalikes. But yeah, I think we're good. We're gonna read a book called I Am Koala. So come look at the book if you can. Join me in our story, and we'll get this done. I'm gonna speed read. How do we say that again there? Show me the this. Read fast.
And then we can dance.
And then make it dance. And then make it dance. How good. Alright. Today, I am Little Koala by Francois Cosat. I'm a little koala. Can you find me? I'm sitting in my mom's pouch. Just like baby kangaroo. Kangaroo. Ah!
Because koala's up in the tree. Dude.
Oh, yeah. Huh? Hey, yeah, you're right. Just like baby kangaroo, we all live in a wonderful land called Australia. We live here in Red Lake. Now that I am bigger, grab his hands. Now that I am bigger, I sometimes crawl out of the pouch for a while. I take a good look at the world around me, but I stay very close to Mama. Oh, sorry, I fell asleep. I was speed reading. After a few minutes, she picks me up, holds me. Her fur is warm and smooth. It feels so good. I am so happy to stay there. I will do some more exploring later. He likes that.
She likes
I am getting stronger every day. See, I can stand on a branch all by myself. Mom watches me, but if I am careful, she lets me do whatever I want. Oh, art pages. I am glad, but I am not too big to ride on her back. I hang on tight as she climbs a tree. She's looking for our favorite food, tender green eucalyptus leaves. It gets very hot during the day, so I climb up a shady tree and close my eyes. Koalas sleep almost all day long. I know some people like that. Anyways, when I wake up in the evening, I am very hungry. I know some people like that too. So I start eating delicious eucalyptus leaves. Soon my little friend arrives. We have fun climbing the tall trees, hanging on with our sharp claws. Follow me. When we have eaten the best leaves from the one tree, we jump to another one. We fly through the air almost like birds, and we never fall down. Once in a great while, we climb out of the trees to play on the ground. We take turns sitting on a big tree stump, but we don't stay very long. Wild dogs called dingoes, or around here we call them res dogs, come prowling around. We both run for our lives, because them red dogs are crazy. Dingoes can't climb trees, neither can res dogs. So we are safe. After a while, they will go away. It is much better to stay in the trees. All of the animals here are friendly. But see how bright the sky is? The sun is rising. It will be another hot day. Hikes. I find a shady spot in the eucalyptus tree, and Owl sits nearby on a branch. Side by side, we will sleep peacefully until the cool, pleasant evening returns. Oh, what? Me? Oh, we finished it. Yay! Good job, everybody. We finished this book today. Amigos, listening. Amigos, listen down here. Hey, don't touch me. What happened? Oh, okay. Amigos.
Well,